Stop by and take a look at the 2026 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.